In a burgeoning city where cars started to clog intersections, the cacophony of honking was a daily ordeal. Traffic lights were yet to be installed, and police presence was scarce, especially traffic officers. At a local supermarket, frustrated patrons struggled to find parking until a young man named Carlitos came to the rescue. Though Carlitos was a young man with Down syndrome, he wielded a whistle with remarkable skill, organizing the chaotic parking lot with impressive efficiency. Carlitos would stand at the supermarket's entrance, blowing his whistle, directing vehicles into parking spots. He loved his small role so much that one morning, amidst the cacophony of blaring horns and heated arguments at a particularly troublesome intersection, his curiosity was piqued. Without hesitation, he took his whistle to the street and began directing traffic. The following morning, Carlitos appeared again at the same intersection, now draped in an improvised traffic officer's outfit. He had no official capacity, yet his presence immediately commanded respect. Drivers took note of his clear commands and began to follow them. Traffic at the junction gradually transformed, becoming less chaotic and much smoother. As each morning passed, Carlitos became an essential fixture at the intersection. The city's residents grew to admire his dedication and often applauded his work. So impressed were they with his contagious enthusiasm that they organized a small pedestal for Carlitos to oversee the traffic more effectively. A makeshift booth was also installed for him to stand and be clearly visible while on duty, and the sound of his whistle filled the air like a symbol of order. After nearly 15 years of his self-appointed service, beloved by all, there came a day when Carlitos was missing from his post. Concern spread through the community, and they soon learned that he was ill. His absence was deeply felt by all who knew of his commitment, and shortly thereafter, Carlitos passed away. The city mourned the loss of a person who had become more than just a traffic guide. Carlitos was an emblem of civic spirit. His funeral was attended by many, recognized for the indelible mark he left on the city's growth. A hero in a traffic officer's disguise, Carlitos had brought a community together with his simple, selfless actions.